We'll guide you through how to turn noise cancelling on or off on AirPods. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great feature because you can go and turn it on or off depending upon if you want to go and have the noise cancelled. If you're in an environment with like an airplane, you may want to go and use these. Make sure the model of AirPods you have this feature as well, as the older ones don't. For the first way, you need to go and place them in your ears. And once they're in your ears, what you're going to do is go and tap and hold one finger on this pad, just here. Tap and hold it. And when you go and tap and hold it, it will either go and turn it on or off, depending upon if it's currently on or off. A sound, and then it will go and turn it on or off. Alternatively, you can use your iPhone. So with them connected, you can drag down in the top right to open the control center. You want to go and make sure they're in your ears. This will then change to the AirPods icon and tap and hold on the sound. And in the bottom left, you can tap on listening mode. At the moment, it may be set to transparency, adaptive or off, and you could choose noise cancelling to turn it on or go and choose an option to turn it off.